Welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna start the vlog now. I didn't want to start it at 5 a.m. because it was dead. Welcome to the vlog. We are about 3-ish hours in already, but we are currently, I think, in Illinois. I don't actually know where we are. I think we're in Illinois. Greenville, Illinois. Just got gas. We're on our way to Dallas. Today's our longest day. It's like a good 13-ish hours, I think. So we've got a long way to go. But you know what? We get an extra day in Dallas to recharge before the next 2 days, so that's where we're at. The road trip has been uneventful thus far. The Midwest is not too pretty to look at. A lot of fields, and that's about it. And a giant bird poop on my window. That scared the living poop out of me. So, those are the updates. We're gonna try to maybe find coffee or something because I've drank a Red Bull so far and that's the only reason I have energy right now, but we're running low. We are running low. Oh, and we got donuts because you can't forget that. So pretty. Beautiful. Wow. I promise I'm not going crazy.
Oh, we're both going crazy. It's one of those.
I swear I saw it. Woo! St. Louis! You can't even see it. Baby. It's so far away. We're in Missouri. Woo!
Yeah, baby.
St. Louis. That's the most exciting thing that's happened.
Just when we finish crossing this river.
Heck yeah! Welcome to Missouri! Ah! Ah! There she goes, running to the trash can. Oh my gosh. She's a runner, she's a track star. There she goes. There she goes. So update. So we passed through St. Louis. We are in Missouri. I think we're in St. Clair, Missouri right now or something. And we just stopped at a random coffee shop that was actually so cute. It's called BB Coffee Lab. I'll put the little picture I took up here. It's super cute. Super random because it's in the middle of nowhere, like super small town, but it looks cute. So we got coffee. We're switching. I am not driving now, which will be nice. And yeah, that is the update. Thank you for running. I didn't realize it was so far away.
That's why I said this was gonna be fun.
And I was like, oh, it's probably gonna be behind there. And then I start seeing you racing over. I'm like, what are you doing?
I was gonna move this to see, but
That's so funny.
okay.
We're doing great. Woo woo! Yes. Okay, so I did a terrible job of vlogging the rest of the trip. I honestly just vlogged this first day and we, drove through Oklahoma, which was the worst state to ever drive through. Eventually made it to Texas and stayed at my parents' house for an extra day, which was really nice. This was the day we arrived. We were literally so dead. The next day, we literally did nothing but go get a glass of wine and chill out. The next day, we were on the road again. This is in Texas. We drove through literally all of Texas. I also got pulled over for speeding. Love that for us. That was my first ticket. Kind of fun. Eventually made our way to New Mexico and then Arizona, where we spent the night. And then, we partied in the car. We lost our minds. I was at least losing it. But yeah, we eventually made it to LA, which is all that matters. Update. I genuinely forgot to vlog majority of the road trip because I was just losing my mind, and so was my friend Laura. Being in a car for like 15 hours straight, not a great mindset. But we made it to LA a couple days ago. I got my keys yesterday for my apartment, which is very exciting. I'm currently staying with a friend though because I don't have any of my stuff. And the thing is, I told my movers I wanted to move in the 27th, like the weekend of the 27th, which is this upcoming weekend. And they were like, yeah, that's totally fine. And then now they're just like, oh, well, we actually can't can't guarantee that it's gonna come that weekend, which basically they're telling me it's not gonna come this weekend and it's probably gonna come next weekend, which is really annoying because my parents are flying in this weekend because they wanted to help me with the move, but now they're probably just gonna be here for funsies and I'm probably have to do the move by myself. Love that for us. But anyway, I am currently at Target. I need to buy some stuff. I need a microwave because I don't have one in my apartment, and I also just needed a couple other random little things, and then I'm gonna head to the apartment and I'll show you guys the place. And I also want to start kind of putting away the few things that I had in my car with me the whole time. I want to start actually like putting them in their place and kind of getting that situated so that when the movers do come, that stuff is at least out of the way, and then I can just kind of start seeing what I need and don't need or whatever. But yeah, that's it. I've been on the phone all morning calling all the utilities people, trying to get everything set up. Been so chaotic. I literally, like, my voice is barely coming back from the whole like car ride over here because we were like scream singing for 3 days and I'm just still in recovery mode apparently. But anyway, I'm gonna head to Target and I will catch you guys in a little bit. I probably won't vlog there. I know it's like more normal to vlog here anywhere, but I don't know if I'm there yet, so we will see. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys around. It has been so chaotic, but I'm ready to get back on schedule, so let's do it. So I'm officially in my new apartment. I apologize if it's super echoey. Obviously there's like nothing in here, but I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of it. So here's the front door. So this is my living room area, and I have a really nice big closet here, which I really liked because obviously I can put in my fabric storage and all of that stuff here, and I think it should fit really well. This is gonna be like my sewing workspace and then like my living room space all in one. And then this is gonna be like my little kitchen table area. This is the kitchen that I have, which is really nice. And I have like an extra room over here too for other stuff, which is also really good. Pretty spacious, which I really like. And then here is a little hallway with a bunch of storage, which is also so nice because I just have so much stuff. So I have a bunch of storage here. And then here is the bathroom, also pretty nice. They're gonna come clean that soon. Yeah, pretty solid. And yeah, lots of nice storage here too. I also really like there's all this extra room on the side for all my stuff, little mirrors, all the things. And here is the bedroom, which is actually really, really spacious as well. So this is gonna be like my bedroom, and also my office is gonna be in here, like my computer and stuff. And then I have 2 closets, which is also super nice. So yeah, that is the tour. Obviously it's so much smaller than what I had in Indiana, but I think that for LA, it's actually pretty spacious. Like this is so much more spacious than the 1 bedroom I had in New York that I shared with my roommate. And this is also cheaper than that, so love that for me. I'm super happy with it. I just cannot wait to get my stuff here. It is gonna take so freaking long to get my stuff here. I just have a feeling about it. I don't know if that's a good place to sit. Anyway, I'm gonna kind of go through the random things that I do have and kind of put things in their place, even though I really just have a big jumble of stuff. I have a box of just like food stuff that was like pantry stuff that I can put away. I just got a microwave at Target, but I think it's probably gonna go on my little carts that I have that are in the move, so I don't have them yet. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of go through everything and see what I need to also buy, if I need to buy anything else or whatever. But yeah, it still doesn't feel real to me, even though I'm literally here and like my stuff is here. I don't know when it's gonna hit me, but I don't know, it feels like oddly familiar too. I feel like this doesn't feel new to me, like just being in LA, because I've been out here so much in the past year that it feels just like normal to be here. It doesn't feel like this new crazy thing. It's really weird. Even like driving around, it feels like familiar because I've like driven around LA so much with like friends and stuff, but it just doesn't feel new, weird. But anyway, I'm gonna get started on all this. I'm like literally so out of the groove with vlogging because I haven't really done it in so long. We'll get back into it soon. I really don't know when the next time I'm gonna vlog is. Hopefully like when I actually get my movers in, which might be a little bit longer. I don't really know. It's so frustrating, but I got everything in its place that I could so far. So I'm gonna go head back to my friend's house and do some work there. But I'll catch you guys hopefully soon when the movers are here and when we're actually getting fully settled in. Hello guys, so update. It is now Monday, May 30th, and I still don't have my stuff. I really don't remember what the last thing I vlogged was, but I finally have my utilities set up. So I have my internet, I have my gas, my electricity, everything is turned on. So I can like actually live here, which is nice. My parents were here this past weekend and they just left this morning, and they brought me an air mattress, which is really nice, even though my friend gave me like a mattress pad as well. So now I just have an even comfier blow up mattress, which is really nice. So I've got a bed. And that's pretty much it. My parents got me a few other things so that I could survive. I got like one pan, one plate, a mug, like one fork, one knife, like everything just like one of, so that I can at least like make it by. I still don't have an update from the movers. I tried to call today, but obviously it is Memorial Day, so they didn't answer. So I don't know if they didn't answer because it's Memorial Day or just because they didn't answer. Those are the vibes. I'm editing a video for YouTube because that's literally all I can do, because I can't sew. I'm starting my job officially tomorrow. It was supposed to start today, but they switched our meeting for tomorrow. I am going to be talking about that a little bit more probably soon, but I don't want to like talk too much about it before I even like start. So, but things are still very much chaotic. But tonight will be my first night officially staying here because I've been staying in the hotel with my parents just because that made life easier. And side note, we also went thrifting and I have a couple of things if you guys want to see it. I got some jean shorts because I literally do not own any. Like I have maybe one pair, but they are from like maybe even middle school in all honesty. It's middle school or like early high school, and they're just so tight and uncomfy, like too short. So I got some that are a little bit longer. These are Levi's. They fit really nicely and love them. And then I got this fun little pink top. So now I have two more wardrobe pieces because I literally also just don't really have clothes. So we're really living off of nothing. I'm really hoping that my move comes this upcoming weekend, but the fact that they haven't even like told me like, oh, it's on its way, makes me think that there's no way it's gonna get here this weekend because it takes them so long to freaking like drive, but fingers crossed. Anyway, that's the update. I'm about to make lunch or something because I'm hungry, and I was like, oh my gosh, I should vlog my first lunch, but I figured I should give you an update before that. So let's see what I have. My parents got me a bunch of food and stuff, but I know it was also a very random mix of stuff, so I have no idea what it is or what I have right now. I literally don't remember. So let's go check it out, see what we can make, and make the most of it. This whole week is just gonna be a make the most of what we have kind of week, and I'm okay with that. I'm in freaking LA, so I cannot complain. Welcome to my kitchen. Pretty much everything's the same from probably the last time that I shared all this with you guys, but we did put up a shelf here, which I'll show you. I have this huge empty space here, and we went ahead and put up a shelf so that I could have like my microwave, my coffee station, and then I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do this, if I'm gonna have like food out here or if I wanna have like all my pans and pots or like plates or like, I don't know. But once my stuff gets here, we'll figure it out. Now I have so much more storage for the kitchen, which is really, really nice. And we've got some food, which is also great. I'm gonna have to figure out what the heck I have, see what we can make. But yeah, also have some stuff in the freezer now, so we are doing good. I really have no clue what I want to eat, but I do think I have eggs, and honestly that might be my easiest bet right now. I feel like that's just quick and easy, and you just can't go wrong, you know? Some good old-fashioned eggs. I did also get some chorizo, so I might add that into my eggs because there's nothing better than that. And my parents brought me some more tortillas from Mexico. Thank God, because I had some at home, but obviously I had to leave a lot of my stuff, just like my food and stuff, to my brother because I didn't want it to go to waste, but I also didn't want it to like sit in the car with me for so long. I did bring some food, just like, I don't know, like spices and canned stuff and things like that, but all the other stuff that was in my fridge and freezer and stuff, I just left for my brother, which included my tortillas. So I'm very grateful that my parents brought me some more so that I can finally continue eating my usual tacos. Anyway, let's make some eggs. So it's actually been a few hours. I finished editing my video and I was like, I'm really so bored. I do not know what to do. And then I remembered I live in LA now, so I can do whatever the heck I want. So I'm just gonna go on a walk, maybe get some coffee, maybe get a nice little drink. But I need to feel the sun because I literally have nothing else to do in this apartment but to like be on my laptop and like eat food. And I don't want to be in bed all day, and that's all I've done today. So I'm gonna leave for a little bit. I'll be back. Not bringing a camera with me because I don't think I'm on that level of vlogger yet. But hopefully we'll get an update soon. I don't know if I'm gonna finish vlogging today. I don't know if I'll vlog tomorrow. I hope to just vlog the day that my stuff comes, which is hopefully sooner rather than later, but we will see. We will see.